Okay, we just got done with an example that showed us that there's a lot of different ways to arrange 8 objects from 10, right? In the example that we just did, we're arranging 8 photos into a picture frame when we have 10 photos to choose from. And we just told ourselves that 10 permute 8, or the number of ways to arrange 8 things from 10, was 1,814,400. So that's way too many to think about. So let's simplify our question. What if we're just choosing the 8 from the 10 and we don't care about the arrangement, right? There's too many arrangements to think about. So let's just first figure out which 8 are going to go inside the picture frame. So let's just choose 10 from 8. So the equation tells us 10 factorial right there. That's how many ways you can arrange the 10 photos, but you're only choosing 8 of them. So you need to ignore the 2 factorial ways to arrange the 2 that you don't pick. But then this is just a choosing equation, not an arrangement. So you also need to ignore the number of ways to arrange the 8 photos that you do pick. So when you go through this, in fact, use your knowledge of the factorial. 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial is just 10 times 9, because the 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 gets canceled. And 10 minus 8 factorial will be 2 factorial. Well, that 10 is going to divide that 2, right? Because 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, that's 2. You get 5 times 9, right? This is why understanding what the factorial is so important. It simplifies your problems quite significantly. There's only 45 different ways to choose the 8 photos from 10. So that's a much better starting place to figure out how we're going to put these 8 photos in the frame.